What's up YouTube? Today we're back with another video. Today we're doing a little bit of maintenance to get the car ready because we're actually about to go about to travel and see my buddy this weekend. Right now we're on the way to the tire shop, and after that we're gonna go change our oil at the house. I'm getting the car ready to road trip. I actually got a video planned for my other channel because we're gonna be working out with my buddy and making a little bit of like a vlog for that day. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Thank you guys so much, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe. So thank y'all once again. The clutch is a little high.
Yeah. I know what he's doing.
Officially all wrapped up.
Right one to the back, yellow with them. Then he's right here with go. Yeah. Don't get them yellow.
All right, y'all. So we're officially done. I went with the Falcon Zenith. A little bit cheaper, but you know, gotta save a little bit of money. Now we're gonna go change the oil. So flash to when we're changing the oil. All right, man. So we're officially back at the house. We got everything we need right here. And we already got the car up on the, I had to improvise and put the window there because we were a little low. I'll remove this.
I heard you taking down engine oil, not the damn transmission.
You know, you had me worried for about a split second.
Oh, I know.
Okay, thank goodness. It's black. Whew.
That's a phenomenal spot. Make sure to oil up the outside. Pause. No diddy. All right, old filters done, on out of there. Now all we gotta do is just top off the oil. All we gotta do is just top off the oil. We're gonna put 6 quarts in there. 1 quart down, 5 quarts left. All right, we're officially done. Gives us a little start. We'll let it run for a little minute, just see if there's any leaks, and there won't be. And then we'll be all set. You would get right on my butt, wouldn't you? Huh? Car needed this, obviously, but it's good to do before I go on the road trip. So there's gonna be another video coming to my other channel, so y'all be sure to go check out my other channel. It's more like fitness directed, so go check out the other channel. I'm gonna link it down below if y'all are into like kind of fitness stuff, kind of vlogging. I'm gonna be making another channel for that, so A lot of times, like I don't really, this page is more correlated, and that will probably be more oriented into other things that I'm doing. So
put 91 and drain that and then go through it and then put 91. I did that. It's been.
y'all can't even really see it, but just the damage and devastation from like the hurricane is unbelievable, bro. Unbelievable.
In about 8.5 miles.
Roads are a little rough. My goodness gracious.
You understand what I'm saying? This is just real.
Now, this is crazy. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. Whoa. All right, we in UT right now, but that's gotta be snow or fog or something. And then that's like the sunlight. God is good. Well, that's mad pretty. That is so pretty. Well, it looks like I was right. I don't know if y'all can see all the snow coming down, but that looks crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. That boy's sneaky. Super, super sneaky. Hey, none of that. Hey. Found you. All right, what you want to say for the camera here? All right, bro. What you mean?
I just wanted to tell the people that I want to tell everybody that I love them.
Cruise in a spaceship, take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.